Welcome! Got a measurement problem or task? We'll solve it in under 2 minutes. How? Just imagine this. You've got a Windows application that lets you take measurements without racking your brains about mathematical formulas. And you can measure practically anything that's the result of a machining process. If you want to control mechanical systems during the measurement, you don't need any programming knowledge. You've got an electrical system with a bunch of digital inputs and outputs, plus safety circuits. You're running it all on a standard performance PC. You can carry the whole setup in a briefcase. And you got this device at a truly affordable price. Sounds exciting, right? You're thinking, there's no such device. But there is. And we're going to prove it in the next 3.5 minutes. Our product, Cyberus Direct, is part of a product family built around one powerful idea: maximum openness, to give you maximum freedom. You don't need to be a maths genius. You don't need to be a programmer. Cyberus Direct takes care of those tasks for you. It's a Windows application that works on any kind of PC: desktop, laptop, notebook, or panel PC. As long as it runs Windows, you're ready to go. In its full configuration, Cyberus Direct is capable of simultaneously controlling 8 probes, 24 digital inputs, and 24 digital outputs. It handles 1- and 2-dimensional code-reading cameras. It provides the opportunity for measurement results to be linked to the identifier of the machining machine that formed this dimension, thus preparing the way for machine-specific statistics. For the system to operate, you don't need a power supply, data acquisition interface, control cabinet, D-in rail, and I could go on listing how many things you don't need. In fact, besides Cyberus Direct, you only need the appropriate measurement fixture. With any mathematical combination of the identified probes, you can define any measurement formula. When defining mathematical formulas, you have as much freedom as if you were writing formulas in an Excel spreadsheet. However, you don't need to rack your brains over mathematical formulas. The application also includes built-in measurement methods, with which you can practically measure any dimension that forms during some machining process. For each workpiece, you can define up to 12 types of dimensions, specifying their nominal values, tolerances, intervention limits, and many other measurement conditions. Cyberus Direct can export measurement results to a target folder. No need to program either. With Cyberus Direct, you can build your own specialized measuring station. No programming knowledge is required to program the digital inputs and outputs. These inputs and outputs can be timed and operate in 2 groups. Control operations that the system must perform before and after the measurement. Each group can contain 99 steps. If you compare these numbers and possibilities with the fact that in the fullest configuration, 24 digital inputs and 24 digital outputs are at your disposal, well, then there's practically no task you couldn't solve with Cyberus Direct. You can build or have built your own measurement fixture, which, when connected to the Cyberus Direct system, provides a fast and cost-effective solution that perfectly fits into the production line and culture. Learn more about the Cyberus Direct system. Use the links below.